Now, in order to show you how well it works, powerful of a machine it is, we're going to get you some sand, and we got 3 different types of floors. This is just really quick. Again, power is not going to be something you'd have an issue with these machines. They are really good. On bare floors, flat rugs, that's your, let's say, your entry-level mats and things like that, and also rather plush carpet there. We're going to use it on its normal, just regular suction. Oh, one thing you will even probably hear is that head is really smart. It'll detect if it's on a carpet or rug. It'll start spinning faster. You can even hear a change in the way it sounds. There we go. Perfect. We have edge-to-edge cleaning, so you don't have to hit your corners. Wonderful. This can lift this rug up really easy. All right, I think that carpet is making it too heavy. But let's now consider right here. See, you even get lines on these carpets. Wonderful. None of that we used the boost feature for. Now we're going to put some sand on this chair and also some under it, because I want to show you it is really maneuverable under things. The neck pivot's really nice. So let's try it here first. You see, it's just super easy. Again, all of this is just with the regular suction. We didn't turn on the boost. But also here, pretty flat. Wonderful. To get that dirt over on that chair, you have the upholstery tool, or remember, this is a cat and dog model. The reason we call it that is because it comes with this brush roll. I'm going to show you something about this brush roll too, by the way. But regular suction, no boost required, and easy peasy. Okay, but here's what I wanted to show you. Really easy. Here's what I wanted to show you. This brush roll also is very easy to maintain. You would see there's a lock and an unlock here. So you could just turn it into an unlock. You don't have to use tools or anything. Lift up this cap. There we go. And release. So you could even, if there's pet hair stuck here, very easily accessible.